Welcome to the 141st episode of Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. Jeff Buckley, a talented singer, songwriter, and guitarist, drowned in Mississippi River on 29th May 1997. Subsequently, his body was found on 4th of June 1997. No trace of drugs or alcohol found in his body. Many speculated that he had committed suicide, but his website reads that he was in a good frame of mind and was preparing for a new album at the time of his death. He was only 30 at the time of death. Previously we have discussed about few cases of Florence Nightingale, Madame Tussaud, Maharshi Mahesh Yogi, and Lorian Warren, who had lived more than 90 years, and all of them passed away while sleeping, the most natural form of death. Now we are going to cover few cases of fast track saturation, and Jeff Buckley is one of them. He got saturated at the age of 30, and he had a multiple taste, a songwriter, a singer, and a guitarist. So let us move on. Next nama is Kshayavruddhi Vinurmukta. The personality of Kshetra Swarupa getting saturated and terminating into Kshetresi. Mukti means salvation or redemption. Kshayavruddhi means ego that is unending. With age, ego is supposed to subside. The Kamachana tool towards salvation of unyielding ego is called Kshayavruddhi Vinurmukta. Mukta is salvation or redemption. Nirmukta means unyielding water element. Vinurmukta means churning of air element in unyielding water element. As a result of this churning, fire element or ego is uncovered. So in Telugu there is a proverb that says Chinta chachina pulupu chavadu. Similarly, Tata Manasu Rindile. Chinta is tamarind, which grows on the tree and gets ripe, gets saturated and falls on the ground. However, even after falling on the ground, the sour taste of tamarind is not gone, is not vanished. The personality of tamarind continue to manifest through the sour taste of tamarind. In the same manner, those who become old, the skin wrinkled, their prime face surpassed, the unfulfilled desires and unquenched fire element in them drives their mind oscillation. They continue to fantasize even if their body is not supporting. All such individuals can revive the fire element of their personality through Kshetra Swarupa, and they can find solution through Kshayavruddhi Vinurmukta. Through this nama, Kshayavruddhi Vinurmukta, Kulangana re-enters planet Earth. Next nama is Kshetrapala Samarchita. Saturated form of Kshetrapatini transforming as Kshetrapala Samarchita. Let's try to understand this nama through the example of Annamaya. The energy form of Kshetrapatini triggered cyclonic storm in the intellect of Annamaya with the air element as a tool, element of his mind. The faculty of personality in the form of Alivelumanga, the consort of Venkateshwara, and the faculty of discretion in the form of Varahaswami, the custodian of Tirumala, responded to this cyclonic storm. Therefore, earth element and fire element of Annamaya got saturated, and the spillover of these vessels of these faculties were passed to the faculty of mind. Hence, Annamaya's mind became heavy. But as already discussed in the previous namas, Annamaya's mind was oscillating around his intellect, which is anchored to Lord Venkateshwara. So, how does Annamaya's mind become light? Again, through the act of Karmachara only, mind can become light. The heaviness in the mind of Annamaya channelized into his eyes. Eyes are the corridor between faculties and senses. As a result, his eyes became heavy, and since he was immersed in Lord Venkateshwara, tears rolled through his eyes. In this state, the energy form of Veda Janani responded through the Shodasha Vidya technique, and in the process, Annamaya created 32,000 erotic compositions and gotten rid of his heaviness. In the process, Annamaya's faculties reached right proportion again. So, let us see what exactly happened. As Annamaya's faculty of intellect, discretion, and personality were seized by Lord Venkateshwara, Varahaswami, and Alvelumanga in that order, the mind of Annamaya created a churning into intellect, which in turn created a cyclonic storm. That is, internal cyclonic storm. The faculties of discretion and personality responded to this cyclonic storm. The residual heaviness of the faculties of his discretion and personality were passed to faculty of mind, which then became heavy. And finally, by proper coordination of all the faculties, by unleashing the 32,000 erotic compositions, the heaviness was executed in the form of karma acharana. That's exactly what happened. Kshetrapala, through this nama, Kshetrapala Samarchita, Kulantastari enters the planet Earth. With this nama, this sloka is completed. Kshaya Vruddhi Vinurmukta, Kshetrapala Samarchita. What does it mean? Kshaya Vruddhi Vinurmukta, a saturated form of personality, saturated form of discretion as Kshetrapala Samarchita. Through the namas Kshetra Swarupa, Kshetresi, Kshetra Kshetrapatni, Kshayavruddhi Vinurmukta, Kshetrapala Samarchita. Annamaya's life was saturated in Kulayogam. This was discussed right in the beginning, that was in the previous world, Mars. Kulangana Kulantasta Kaulini Kulayogini Kula Samayantasta Samayachara Tatpara. So at that time Kula Yoga was discussed. Samsara Yoga, Kula Yoga, all that. So Annamaya's life got saturated in, he practiced Kula Yoga. So remaining namas we will explore in the next episode. Thank you.